Hello, welcome. Let's do the Aussie vowel sounds. We'll start with the singles. So we've got long E for eat and easy.
E,
Next we'll do the short E for it,
I,
India. Good. And then we'll do the short U, put, should, would. And the long oo, who, school.
oo,
Again.
oo, 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 oo.
And then oo, blue, through, clue. Very good. Then the smiling sound that is often very short, e, egg, elephant. Go.
E for egg.
Again.
E for egg.
And its neighbour, the schwa. Very unstressed. Mother, brother, father. And the long schwa sound, becomes burn, turn. Doesn't have an R sound at all. Then or also doesn't have an R sound, even though it's often spelt with an R. Born, torn.
For bird.
Again.
For bird.
And or for born.
Or for born.
And then we have the mouth opening this way, and we have a, apple, ant. Very good. And now up, under, up. And the long barn, farm. And the last single vowel sound is o, on,
On.
orange. Well done. You should practice, you know. Thank you. Bye.